Hey guys, this is Ryan with the unboxing of my rapid fire controller. Hold on, I'm just gonna put my camera down for a second. Yeah, so here's those. It's 8 mode. So yeah, I'm gonna open it right now. My knife. Yeah. Right. Yeah, it came in a pretty small box. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open it. Take out this shit. Controller. This box to the side. Alright, here it is. Here's my old controller, there's another one. It's 8 modes, like I said. And this is, yeah, here is the button for it. When you press it in, the light goes on. So, one sec, let me just play Black Ops for a second, and I'll show you what it does. By the way, this is my first one, so, yeah. I don't think it's that fast, because I didn't want a really, really fast one, but I don't know, it's decent. So yeah, and also I got a brand new Xbox. It's a Slim. It's pretty sick. It's starting to like Xbox now. So yeah, I got PS3 and Xbox because it's my birthday. So yeah. Alright, now so I will show you. Hold on one sec. Let me just turn off the controller. 1 sec, I'm just gonna put this down and plug it in. Alright, hold on, let's just turn it on. Alright, now, here it is. Plugged in, turned on. Now, private match. Yeah, it doesn't matter about that crap. Yeah, just start it up. Pretty nice controller. It feels heavier. It's heavier because there's more stuff in it. Yeah, when you press that, light goes on. It shuts off. And you want it off. So yeah. By the way, leave your gamer tag in the description if you want me to add you on Xbox. I need some more friends because I just got it yesterday and I have like 1, not 2. I have like 3 or 2. Oh no, so yeah, this is just a NFL. Alright, so this is without it. Now, press that on the back. This is with it. Pretty sick. So yeah. It's pretty wicked cool, huh? I got it. Alright. Here's a different mode. Just gonna try out the new modes. Yeah, this mode doesn't work for most guns. I already tried it on some guns, but yeah. That's practically like, like, I don't know, like a slow one, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. No, he was first. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, just the unboxing and usage. And I'm turning it off to see how fast I can shoot without that. I can shoot like that just by tapping the thing, but I don't know, it won't really get me far. And by the way, if you wanted to just see this knife, pretty nice. I got it for my birthday also, so my grandparents gave it to me, so hold on. It's hard to get out, but pretty sick. Pretty nice, huh? I mean, like, yeah. But, the controller that I just got didn't come with any instructions or anything. Luckily, I already read the thing, so I already know, but pretty sick. On the box says 8 modes, so yeah. I would definitely suggest one of these if you are a noob, like me, and don't feel like always having to tap the button. But yeah, no, I don't think it works for any other gun. I'll try this gun, but it's probably not gonna work for a sniper. Yeah, it works alright for the sniper. Let's try this thing. So yeah, pretty boss. Now, yeah. Now this is it. This is for L2. But yeah, we're not doing it. L2. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And add me. My name is Ryan Kills You. And yeah, I will be raping shit up with my rapid fire controller. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing video. So yeah, that thing is boss. Alright, yeah, peace.